Say g'day.
Wouldn't you think they'd knock down those trees?
Yeah, makes sense, doesn't it?
Now what's this? Penalty for interference, £100. Guys, what is it?
Who knows? An ancient monument for previous snake bootleggers.
Yeah. Well, I can see half of the city.
What's that over there? That big white mass of buildings.
I don't know. You should be able to see QE2, the stadium.
It's a lot further up than I remember.
I thought they moved him out to...
Yeah, but I'm just showing you where it used to be, and it might even still be here. Because after they'd moved him, he was still here, or the plaque was still here. Here we are, Columbarium 11,
Where?
section 16. And if you look, second row up, 7th from the left. Here he is.
Where?
See him?
Wonder why they leave the plaque up.
Well, he was here for a good 40, 50 years.
Well, he's not there anymore. Huh.
I suppose just in case people come here to look for him. There she is. She got a new neighbour. Hope you're not keeping them awake.
Must be her husband.
Oh, this one, yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Recently. Quite recent. Oh well, play together nicely. G'day.
G'day.
Now, I've got a feeling it's behind over here.
Down here, isn't it?
No, this one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's down in here.
Funny how everyone's dying to get into these places. Here's the other half of his ashes.
I wonder if there are there. Oh. I'm gonna have a smoke, okay?
Okay.
69, yeah. Be around here about the same time, you know? It's the silver one. So, you know, not a slate.
Okay.
It's in my age, eh? Cuss.
Yeah. How about that?
52 years.
And what got her in the end?
Cancer.
Cancer.
Melanoma.
Oh, skin cancer.
Yeah.
Knew we'd find him, eh? Sishwa.
How old was he?
60, I believe.
That's right, yeah. 32 to 93.
Yeah.
So yeah, 59 and a half or 60.
Hmm.